family of mammals of the order of carnivores. They differ from other representatives of the psiformes in a more stocky constitution. Bears are omnivorous, climb and swim well, run fast, can stand and walk short distances on their hind legs. They have a short tail, long and thick coat, and an excellent sense of smell. They hunt in the evening or at dawn. Usually wary of humans, but can be dangerous in places where they are accustomed to humans, especially polar and grizzly bears. They are not very susceptible to bee stings because of their thick wool. Bee stings in the nose are sensitive to bears. In nature, they have almost no natural enemies. In the south of the Russian Far East and in Manchuria, adult tigers can attack them. Compared to other families of the order of carnivores, bears are distinguished by the greatest uniformity in appearance, size, and many features of the internal structure. These are the largest of modern terrestrial predatory animals. Polar bears reach a body length of 3 meters and weigh up to 725 and even 890 kilograms. The Malay bear is the smallest representative of the bear. In length it does not exceed 1.5 meters, the height at the withers is only 50 to 70 cm, weight 27 to 65 kg. Males are 10 to 20% larger than females. In polar bears, the difference in size and weight between males and females reaches 1.5-2 times. Fur with a developed undercoat, rather coarse. The hair is high, sometimes shaggy. In most species it is dense, in the Malay bear it is low and rare. Seasonal dimorphism is expressed in changes in the height and density of the fur. The color does not change with the seasons. In most species it is monochromatic, from coal black to whitish. In some species there is individual and geographical variability in color. Pure brown bears have lighter markings on the chest or around the eyes. Presumably, this is an atavistic color from the ancestor of the bearish. There are two specimens of a specific color. In the giant panda, it is the most contrasting, black and white. In polar bear, hair is almost transparent, hollow, and in different directions of light it gets a color from snow white to golden. Under certain medical circumstances it can even take on a purple hue. All bears have a stocky, powerful body, many with high withers. Paws are strong, 5-fingered, with large non-retractable claws. The claws are controlled by powerful muscles, allowing bears to climb trees, as well as dig and tear apart prey. In a grizzly bear, claws can reach 15 centimeters, which helps him to dig the ground, but makes it impossible for him to climb trees. The gait of the bear is shuffling, plantigrade. The giant panda and spectacled bear have an additional, 6th, toe, on their front paws, an outgrowth of the radial sesamoid bone, covered with skin. The tail is very short, invisible in the fur. The exception is the giant panda, whose tail is longer than that of other bears and is clearly visible from the outside. The head is large, the eyes are small. The neck is thick and relatively short. The skull of bears is large, usually with an elongated facial region. The ridges on the skull are strongly developed. The zygomatic arches are weakly spaced to the sides in the Malay bear, strongly. The polar bear differs sharply from others in the fit of the skull. The back of the head is practically not protruding. The jaws are powerful. In a brown bear, the bite force can reach 751 N3. The incisors and canines are large, but the rest of the teeth, due to the mixed type of nutrition, are small and not specialized, partially reduced. Teeth from 32 to 40 to 42. Individual and age-related variability of the dental system often takes place. The sense of smell is highly developed. In some species it is comparable to that of a dog or even better. Hearing and vision are weaker. Anal glands are often absent, or they are very poorly developed.